In the evolving world of modern woodworking, where craftsmanship meets creativity, inlay techniques stand out as one of the most refined and expressive forms of design. These techniques, ranging from basic contrasting wood inlays to intricate, multi-material patterns, are no longer reserved solely for master artisans or antique furniture. They have found new life in contemporary woodworking, adding dimension, uniqueness, and emotional value to everything from furniture and wall art to smaller crafts and home accents. Transforming your woodworking with inlay techniques isn't just about aesthetics. It's about storytelling, precision, and elevating your craft to a new level of artistic and professional significance. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of inlay techniques for unique modern designs to transform your woodworking. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The essence of inlay lies in embedding a material, often wood, but also stone, metal, shell, or resin, into a surface in such a way that it is flush with the surrounding material. Unlike overlays or paint, inlay is integrated. It becomes part of the structural integrity of the piece, and thus symbolizes a deeper commitment to craftsmanship. This level of care resonates powerfully in today's design landscape, where consumers increasingly value the handmade, the personalized, and the emotionally engaging over the generic and mass-produced. At the heart of inlay work is patience, intention, and vision. To create a successful inlay, a woodworker must think ahead. The chosen design, whether a simple geometric form or an elaborate scene, needs to be carefully planned and executed. This process inherently slows down the craft, requiring the artisan to move deliberately, measure precisely, and develop an intimate relationship with their materials. In a culture that often glorifies speed and instant results, inlay reminds us that beauty often lies in the time we invest and the details we dare not overlook. Modern interior design has opened the door for inlay techniques to flourish in fresh and unexpected ways. In place of purely decorative or ornate styles of the past, today's inlay work tends to balance elegance with minimalism. Clean lines, subtle contrasts, and nature-inspired motifs are particularly popular, especially when incorporated into mid-century modern, Scandinavian, or Japandi design schemes. A dining table with a thin brass inlay, a walnut coffee table featuring a simple maple leaf silhouette, or a sleek wall panel accented with resin marbling. Each of these designs demonstrates how inlay can bring understated sophistication into any room. Beyond beauty, inlay can also serve as a functional signature of a woodworker's identity. Much like an artist's brushstroke or a sculptor's chisel mark, inlay offers a canvas for self-expression. Whether it's through the use of particular patterns, cultural motifs, or personal symbolism, the technique becomes a way to leave a lasting mark, something that distinguishes your work and tells the story behind it. For woodworkers trying to build a brand or business, this can be a defining trait. A recognizable inlay style can set you apart in a saturated market and help build emotional loyalty with clients. Financially, incorporating inlay techniques into your woodworking business can unlock access to new, higher-end markets. Consumers searching for bespoke, premium quality furniture or art pieces often seek uniqueness and individuality. A well-crafted inlay design adds instant perceived value to your product. It says, "This piece took time. It was made with care. It has character and intention." This sense of exclusivity can justify higher prices, enable commission-based work, and open doors to collaborations with interior designers and architects seeking standout elements for their projects. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, as customers become more design conscious, they're increasingly looking for ways to make their living spaces more meaningful. Furniture is no longer just functional, it's emotional. A cabinet inlaid with a family crest, a coffee table with children's initials subtly etched in contrasting wood, or even a wedding date immortalized in a wall plaque. These are all inlay applications that create value beyond the visual. They make the work personal, and in doing so, they increase both customer satisfaction and long-term brand engagement. For beginners or intermediate woodworkers looking to add inlay techniques to their repertoire, the journey might seem intimidating at first. But the beauty of this art is that it's highly scalable. Starting with simple line inlays using thin strips of contrasting wood or brass can be a great entry point. Over time, as skill and confidence grow, more complex projects, such as pictorial inlays or multi-material compositions, become achievable. This progression mirrors the broader journey of any craftsman, from learning technique to mastering expression. Technological tools have also made inlay more accessible than ever. With advancements in laser cutters, CNC machines, and precision routing systems, intricate inlay work that once took weeks to execute by hand can now be mapped, modeled, and refined digitally before ever touching the material. While purists may still prefer the tactile route of hand tools, these innovations allow even small workshops to compete with large studios in terms of complexity and finish quality. When combined with a strong aesthetic sense, the result is nothing short of stunning. Sustainability is another compelling layer to the modern use of inlay. Rather than wasting leftover offcuts or discarding oddly shaped wood pieces, inlay techniques allow woodworkers to repurpose these scraps into design elements. This not only conserves material, but also demonstrates a deep respect for the medium itself, something that resonates strongly with environmentally conscious customers. Furthermore, using natural inlay materials like stone, mother of pearl, or even dyed sawdust creates eco-friendly products with rich texture and story. On a personal level, learning and applying inlay techniques can reignite passion for the craft. Woodworking, while immensely fulfilling, can sometimes become repetitive, especially when producing similar items for commercial purposes. Inlay invites play, experimentation, and artistry back into the workshop. Each design challenges the mind and hones the hand. It demands you pause, think, and feel your way through the process. For many, it becomes a kind of meditative practice, a return to the love of making. Inlay also creates opportunities for collaboration. Imagine partnering with a local artist to interpret their illustrations as would inlay wall art, or working with a jeweler to develop wearable pieces combining wood and metal. The intersection of disciplines enriches your work, expands your network, and opens doors to diversified income streams. The significance of transforming your woodworking with inlay techniques lies far beyond aesthetics. It is a journey of artistic evolution, brand differentiation, and emotional resonance. It challenges the craftsman to elevate their precision, deepen their creativity, and connect more intimately with both material and audience. In a world that is increasingly hungry for meaning, beauty, and connection, inlay offers a rare combination of all three, woven together in the quiet poetry of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked inlay techniques for unique modern designs to transform your woodworking. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.